Luxury electric cars offer unparalleled performance in a variety of ways. Here are some of the key performance features that set these vehicles apart from regular electric or gasoline-powered cars. Instant torque and acceleration. Electric motors provide instant torque, which translates to incredible acceleration. For example, the Tesla Model S Plaid can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 1.99 seconds, a feat that puts many supercars to shame. The lack of a traditional engine means that the power delivery is immediate, resulting in a smooth and thrilling driving experience. All-wheel drive. Many luxury electric vehicles like the Porsche Taycan and Audi e-tron GT feature all-wheel drive, AWD, providing enhanced traction, stability, and performance, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Regenerative braking. Most electric cars, including luxury models, come with regenerative braking systems, which convert kinetic energy back into usable energy during braking. This not only improves efficiency but also contributes to the car's extended range. High-speed charging. Luxury electric cars are designed to provide quick recharging times. Models like the Lucid Air can recover up to 300 miles of range in just 20 minutes at fast charging stations, making them more convenient for long road trips. Luxury electric cars provide instant torque, precise handling, and quick charging, all designed for a superior driving experience.